Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS gameplay test in the Poco X3 Pro device by using the Game Turbo 4.0 with the high performance mode. Right now as you can see friends, I'm trying to use the latest version of Game Turbo 4.0 and with the high performance mode I'm trying to use and I'm trying to play at 90 FPS exactly. You'll be able to see the real-time FPS meters. Let's see friends how well the phone gonna handle after the recent update which is 12.5.7 as well. So this will give a clear idea what's going on with the overall FPS count, how much it's trying to maintain. Not bad with the 90 FPS, I was able to get pretty good. So let me slightly increase. This complete test I'm trying to use only with the high performance mode in the Poco X3 Pro device. So even I'll try to do the bootcamp drop test as well. So let's see bootcamp drop test how well the phone gonna handle. Right now I did connect to the Wi-Fi network as well. Right now at this moment. And connecting to the Wi-Fi network, sometimes the ping value is really high. So right now it's kind of showing ping value, I think above 100 ping value, sometimes 200 as well regarding the ping value. So slightly higher friends, even if I try to connect to the Wi-Fi network as well, that's something to be noted. So I'm seeing I think kind of close to 80 ping value, sometimes 200 ping values as well. And right now I'm getting 89. Official update, still we did not get any kind of 90 FPS official support. As you can see the ping value how it is at this moment using with the Poco X3 Pro device. Ping value is not that great. So right now I'm getting ping value about 40 milliseconds, sometimes as you can see 276 it did went up to ping value. So ping is slightly kind of not maintaining that great regarding the Wi-Fi connectivity as well. Overall not bad, 90 FPS it's maintaining. So let's do the normal drop test in the boot camp. Let's see what happens with the boot camp drop test, whether the phone gonna handle or not. So let's do the boot camp. So right now we'll be able to see exactly the drop test in the boot camp. Let's see what will happen using with the performance mode. So which has been enabled exactly. So only my worry was about the ping value. So ping value is getting slightly higher and higher. So time to time. Right now it's showing for 109 ping value, as you can see exactly 60 milliseconds. 76 milliseconds. It's kind of decreasing and increasing 123 milliseconds, as you can see friends clearly what's happening with the ping value. So try to focus on the real-time FPS meter and the ping value both. You can actually focus exactly. So real-time FPS 89, 88 it's showing. And ping is maintaining exactly not bad, 20, 32 milliseconds and 32, 60 milliseconds it's maintaining, not bad. 78 is the lowest FPS we did see during this time of testing, not bad, 78. And the ping value was able to maintain 20 milliseconds during this process. So overall it was able to maintain not bad, pretty good FPS. It's made in 90 FPS. Yes, not bad. Right now the ping value was stable. So sometimes, as you can see friends, the ping value did increase above 100 exactly after some time. So let's see friends. So overall the FPS was able to maintain pretty good, stable FPS, 89, 90. Along with this game turbo, we do have a lot of other options as well, where you can actually increase the color, saturation mode and brightness as well. As you can see, the screen brightness got completely increased. Good experience to play in this way with the increased brightness and the contrast as well in the Poco X3 Pro device, which is fantastic. So I did like this kind of high contrast levels and high brightness levels to get more visuals of the enemies. And during this complete process, let's check the temperatures, what is happening with the overall temperatures in this phone, how much the battery has been in 39 degrees. As you can see, playing with the 90 FPS definitely will increase a lot of temperatures as well, and this might drain the battery. As you can see friends, overall it's kind of maintaining pretty good. So thank you.